Today's video will discuss 3 magical drinks that will transform you. 1. Cellulite Slim Down Juice Recipe. Cellulite is not only caused by a lack of exercise, but also by imbalanced hormones and a bad diet. This Cellulite Slim Down Juice recipe will help support your body's natural ability to reduce cellulite. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 bunch celery, 1 knob ginger, 1 lemon or grapefruit, 1 cup parsley. Directions: add all ingredients in a vegetable juicer. Gently mix the juice and consume immediately. 2. High Energy Juice Recipe. Beets are popular among runners, and are consumed for their effects on endurance. They have also been known to naturally reduce blood pressure, increase stamina, fight inflammation, and are high in nutrients and fiber. Try this high-energy juice recipe, and experience the benefits for yourself. Ingredients: 1 beet, 6 celery stalks, 1 green apple, half cucumber. Directions: add all ingredients to vegetable juicer. Add more cucumber if necessary. Gently mix juice, and consume immediately. 3. Bone Building Juice Recipe. This bone building juice recipe provides vitamins and nutrients that are essential to building strong and healthy bones. Try this delicious combination today. Ingredients: half avocado, 2 cups spinach, 1 cup cabbage, 2 cucumbers. Directions: add spinach, cabbage and cucumbers to vegetable juicer. Add avocado, and juice in blender, and mix together on lowest setting. Consume immediately. Are you going to try these drinks? Let me know in the comment section below.